This is milestone 2, and this milestone's goal is to equip you with what you need to persuade senior leaders on campus to approve the emergency aid effort. The 4 modules will help your team put together a persuasive case based on solid evidence. The first module, Meeting with Senior Leaders, covers everything you need to prepare for your meeting with your campus senior leaders. Use the proposed agenda to plan and run your meeting with those leaders. The remaining modules get into the details of how to develop the documents and slide decks that you will use in this meeting. Customize the PowerPoint template provided to build your presentation for senior leaders and/or other colleagues to gain support to move ahead. A charge letter is a useful way to gain formal approval to establish your EA program. Download the sample and tailor it to meet your needs. A key focus of this milestone is developing an understanding of the current state of emergency aid on your campus. This will involve research, which includes talking to key people on campus involved in current EA efforts. Learn how to do this effectively with user-based interviews. We provide detailed guidance on how to prepare and run effective interviews. When you've completed all modules within this milestone, review the milestone checkpoint to consider if you're ready to move on.